Do you always wonder where your website traffic comes from? You can actually use UTM tracking to track where the source comes from. Let's say you're running an email campaign, it's promoting a fall special. You can actually use UTM tracking to pinpoint the traffic coming from that email promotion. And let me show you how. It's actually pretty simple. So what you do is you just Google UTM Builder, and this tool walks you through, right, exactly where the source is coming from. It'll help you build a URL tracking. So what you do is you put your URL in here, and you put in which source it's coming from. It's a email. Let's say it's a newsletter, right? And let's say it's coming from email that you're blasting, and it's for a fall special. So what Google does, this tool, is now you can copy the string of URL, and now when you send out the email blast, you'll link it to this. Now when you later on subsequently go into Google Analytics, it will now divide it up to let you know exactly this campaign is driving how much traffic to your website. So I highly suggest you use more UTM tracking to track very often if you're doing promotions, if you're doing email blast, even if you're buying traffic sources, let's say from Google, Bing, Yahoo, all these, ideally you should be using UTM tracking. Retargeting, all of those, you should be using UTM tracking to know which campaign, which promotion, right, is the one that's driving the traffic. Have fun with this.